Hi, I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to the quotes widget. And what that's for is, let's say that you wanted to somebody said something nice about your product and you want to put that on your website. Well, you just go into like adding any other widget and choose quotes. And here it just opens up and it's already got a few quotes in there, but we're going to start from the beginning. So we'll go here under this section, click remove, and get rid of those ones that are already there. Well, I guess we can keep these. And notice that it puts 3 quotes up there. And well, even star ratings. So we can click on captions, come over here, and let's put this guy's name. We'll call him Bill. This can be Tom. This can be Sally. Give him some names. And Bill could say, "This is a fantastic product." This guy could say, "I love this product." And she could say, "I didn't like this product." Now you can put anything you want here and you just save it. And you notice how these are all updated. And if you don't like that display, well, let's see, we forgot to put the number of stars for Sally. She's still 5 stars and she didn't really like our product. So we click here on set the number of stars for Sally, and we're going to drop her to only 2 stars. Save it, and notice she's now at 2 stars, and if we wanted to put it on our web page, we just click done. Well, that's not very exciting though, so let's see how it could look even more exciting. Well, first off, we could go under formatting, and we could change the color of the text. Let's make this kind of more of a, I don't know, the background color, maybe a real light pink. Make the text maybe a bright red. I mean, this would look ugly, but this is just a demonstration. And you notice how you can change the look real simply. And let's go back in, edit it. And let's take a look at some other nice things we could do. Let's say that you only wanted 1 quote at a time. You could say, let's give me just 1 column of nice big quotes. You could do that. Or you could do, let's go back to 3 column. And let's take a look at some other formats. You could display them in this format if you wanted. Give their faces a little more attention. Whoops, press the wrong button. There we go. Choose template 1, submit. And notice this format, a little bit more attractive. And there's 8 of these to pick from. This is kind of a fun one, where it'll scroll through them if you have quite a few. And notice how it looks on the page. And we've got 2 versions of it, one with a nice transparent background and one where you can adjust the color of the background. Let's go back in and see what else we can do. Well, if you want the sequence to be different, you can sort them. You can change the sizes of the text. If you wanted to make the descriptions a little bit smaller, notice you can do that. And that's it. That's a quick overview, and I think you'll enjoy using it.